Okay, welcome to this video here. So question 6, 2019 section B, ordinary level tech graphics. So the figure shows the logo for a car breakdown recovery company. Draw the logo, showing clearly how to find the centers of the circles as shown. Show all construction lines, tangents and points of contact. Right, I'll start here on the base, what you call it, line here. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing the XY line here for the wheels. Okay, now we can mark in our XY. Okay, or need that, right. 40 millimeters there for the first center. Okay, 80 then from that, so we're at 120. 45 then after that, so we're at 165. And then a further 40, 205. Now the radius, the big circle here is 20, and the radius of the small circle is 10. So I'm just going to go up 20, okay, lightly, and I'm going to mark 10 and 20 on that. Now it's 80. Over to the next one here, same again. Right, and I get my compass there, I draw in the circles. Right, marked up 20 here, so I did. Just make it more visible for me. So our radius 10. Now we'll do our light lines upwards here, and we can mark in the ends. So 20, 45 is 65, and 55 will be 120. So we can measure up 120. I'm just going to have to move the page here. I'll move the visualizer too. So there, sorry, that's too high. There you go. Now, so this is up 25. Okay, so that point there is up 25, but first I can heavy in these lines. Okay, and then we'll mark up our dimensions here. 45 here in the left. Okay, and then that 25 I'll mark up there as well, and just put it on the other side. Now, so I can mark there. Alright, the radius of, I'll deal with getting this curve here now. The radius of this curve is 90. Here's the point on the curve, and there's a point there. So look, if you swing the radius of that arc from the 2 points, they'll intersect at the center. So look, the radius of that there swung from this point, and the radius of it there swung from that point. They intersect at the center. Alright, so look, it's 15 millimeters up from the 45 line. So I'm going to go up a further 15 here from this line here, and that line was 45 and 20 up. So look, go up 20, 45, we get to 60 and add on, or we get to 65 rather, and we add on 15. Okay, I can do a heavy line there. So I'm going to set my compass to radius 90. So radius 90 there. We're going to swing an arc from this corner and an arc from this corner, and then we can draw in the arc there. So that's the back of it done. So we'll target now. We'll target now this one here. All right. So that circle is down 16 millimeters. Okay, and it's over 16 here. So I can measure over 16. So straight up, across there. So we'll set our compass to radius 16. Meters there. So there's the compass drawn. All right, we can, or the circle drawn. So we can do this line here. Okay, so I'm basically going to join these points here. So it's light there, heavy there, and light there. Now, okay, this line is the tangent to that circle, and it starts from this point. So we're going to have to join the centers of, or we're going to have to join the center of the circle to the start point of the line. Okay, we're going to take our compass and we're going to bisect the line. Okay, and then we're going to take our compass then, draw in the semicircle. So we're going to draw in our semicircle there. Now where the semicircle pierces the circle, that's the tangent there. So we can heavy there, lightly there, and then there's the normal. So normal point of contact. Okay, now this, what you call it, we're getting ready to start this, the front here with the cab. So this angle is at 60 degrees. It goes straight up from the vertex of the wheel and 60 degrees from there. So I'm going to go straight up from the vertex of the wheel. Okay, and I'm going to draw a light line at 60 degrees. Okay, now I'll heavy in the cab in a short while because we have to draw in the curve. We can do the front here where the bonnet is. So it's radius 25. So we're going to heavy up. It's radius 25 there, so that's 20. So we're going to heavy up 20 here from this point here. We're going to measure over 25. Want to double check that. So our compass here, there it is there. Alright, now to establish what you call it, the center point here, to establish that center point, the curve is tangential to both this line and that line there. Right, so we're going to go up a further 25 there. and we're going to draw a light line across here. Now we're going to set our set square to 60 or 30 degrees, and from the edge of the windscreen we're going to set our, or we're going to mark 25, and we're going to draw a line at 60 degrees. Now where they intersect is the center point of the circle. Okay, and then to get the point of contact then between basically where the tangent turns to a straight line, so I'll show you that on the diagram. To get where it turns from a curve to a straight line, we're going to draw a 30-degree line from the center point there. That's the point of contact, and we're also going to draw a straight line down here. That's the point of contact. So we can heavy this in here now. We can heavy that in there now. We can heavy that in. Now we can get our compass. And draw in the arc. And then that's the question complete. So take a moment just to look at that. Alright. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.